Here we are with the instructions for lesson 6. Let's go. We're on Launchpad. Inside Launchpad, we're going to go ahead and log ourselves in. So for 6.1 today, we're going to do a quick activity out of the book. So we're going to come to the textbook here, come to our companion website, and we're going to do test your knowledge right here. You fill this out, feel free to use the textbook if you want, or you can use the internet. And then when you're done, you put your name here, you put my email right here, jsmith9. Click confirm this, all right, and then hit send. So you can use the textbook if you want. The textbook is located right here. If you need to open this up, you can open this up. Go to chapter 1 and start thumbing your way through looking for the answers if you don't know them yet from our videos and stuff. Okay, that's 6.1. 6.2, we're going to come right here to EverFi, and we're going to spend some time learning computer safety. So if this comes up for you, go ahead and hit install extension. All right, and you can come back to here, hit continue to website. It's going to load you in, and we are starting this right here. It says it's going to take 2.5 hours. Probably won't. When you are done, the grade you get on this is when you're done and you earn high enough along the way, you get certified. So you want to get that certification. Okay, so 6.1, test your knowledge. Fill this out. Click confirm, send. 6.2, EverFi ignition.